Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download Duet Night Abyss. So first up, you will need to go to this website, duetnightabyss.dna-penstudio.com. I'll link that in the description. And once you do that, you can see that it is available for download on Google Play, App Store, PC, or Epic Games. So what you need to do is to go and click on the link, and you can see that Duet Night Abyss is available to download on Google Play. You can also search it up on Google Play as well on your phone. To download it on the App Store, you need to go to your App Store and search for Duet Night Abyss. Once you do that, you can see that the game is available for download. You can also download it on PC by clicking the link here, and you will see you can download and install, and you just need to click save right here, and the launcher will automatically download. And finally, you can download it on your Epic Games platform. You just need to click the link, and you can get the game for free, as you can see right here. However, do keep in mind that in any platform that you download, be sure that you check the minimum requirements, as you can see right here once you scroll down, so you can play the game smoothly without any issues on the available platforms. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.